Hello and welcome back. Welcome to this exciting training on how you can start your own very hot chocolate mix business and turn it into a profitable venture. So, irrespective of whether you are a chocolatier, baker, chocolate lover, an aspiring entrepreneur, an existing food business owner, or someone looking for a simple, high margin business idea, this is for you. So stay tuned as we break down everything from product creation to marketing and sales. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to starting and scaling your premium hot chocolate mix business. By the way, there is a free guide on hot chocolate business starter, a guide that you can download free, and the link is given in the description. You can download it for further details. Well, why should you start a hot chocolate business? Have you ever considered this idea? Let us talk about the demand first. Hot chocolate is not just a winter favorite or a seasonal item. It is a year round treat, and people love indulging in a rich, comforting cup of cocoa, whether it is during monsoons, chilly evenings, or even summer, or even as a dessert drink. So, here is why this business is a great opportunity. Number one, it is a low startup cost. Number two, it has high profit margins. Number three is it is a growing market. Number four is the business model is highly flexible. You can sell online, offline, part-time, full-time, supply to cafes or gift stores, or provide it as a gift, even create custom hot chocolate mix gift boxes for festive seasons. So this model is very, very flexible. Now, let us talk about the money. How much can you earn from a hot chocolate mix business? Here is a simple breakdown. If you are at a beginner level, selling 30 to 50 packs per month at a rate of, say, 300 rupees each, you can make 9,000 to 15,000 revenue, and deducting the costs, you can make 5,000 to 7,000 in profit. Let us assume you are at an intermediate level. Selling 200 to 500 packs per month will easily fetch you 60,000 to 1.5 lakh revenue, and the profit margin of around 50%. So that cool 30,000 to 75,000 in profit. If you are doing this at an advanced level, that is as a full-time business, selling 1,000 plus packs per month, you can easily make 3 lakh plus revenue with 1.5 to 2 lakh profits. So, whether you want to start as a side hustle or a full fledged business, this model is scalable and highly profitable. Now, let us go step by step and discuss what you need to get started. See, in this particular business idea, you require just the ingredients, packing, equipment, labeling, and branding. And even the equipments aren't complex. You just require some mixing bowls, airtight storage containers, measuring cups, sealing machine. If you're packing in pouches, or like if you're going for eco-friendly, premium looking packings, that you have wide options. You can use jars, resealable pouches, or even pre-measured single-serve sachets. That is entirely up to you what you want to go for. Now, Ingredients are also like not too complex. You just require some high quality cocoa powder, sweeteners, milk powder, flavorings, and optional add-ins, say like chocolate chunks or marshmallows or things like that. So you don't require too many ingredients, too many complex equipments, or the packing is also simple. Um, yes, you need some kind of investment as far as the labeling and branding is concerned. Now that you have a product, how are you going to sell it and where are you going to sell it? See, you can consider selling this particular product or products on online stores and marketplaces. Uh, you can set up shop on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, or Amazon, Flipkart to reach a wider audience, or you can sell through your own website that you can create on Shopify or WooCommerce store. You can sell to local cafes and bakeries and offer this as corporate gifting and bulk orders for festive seasons, weddings, corporate gifts, um, or you can sell on festivals and pop-up markets and food expos. And you can also consider exporting it directly or through agents to a wider geography. Now, you can market your hot chocolate mix business using your social media platforms like um, by sharing the recipe ideas or behind the scene content or customer reviews on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, or even LinkedIn for that matter, if your client base is working professionals and corporate people. You can consider going in for influencer collaborations and send samples to food bloggers and influencers to get more visibility. You can offer limited time edition flavors like, say, pumpkin spice or peppermint can boost the sales. You can go for subscription boxes. This is one thing which I always include in different chocolate business models because subscription boxes is still at a very nascent stage in India, and India has a huge market that lies to be tapped. You can run festive promotions and do 100 other marketing uh, to sell your products. And there you have it. See, starting a hot chocolate mix business is simple, scalable, and profitable. So, whether you are looking for a small side hustle or a full time business, this is an amazing opportunity. And if you need an expert guidance on starting and growing your hot chocolate business, contact Indian Chocolate Academy. And we offer professional training, marketing, and business strategies and insider tips to help you succeed. If you found this training valuable, please hit the uh, link like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any question. I will be answering it um, personally. And don't forget to download the free hot chocolate business starter guide linked in the description below. So see you in the next video. Happy chocolate making till then.